Let me ask you a question. If you meet someone late night, let's say around 11 p.m., is it okay to start the conversation with good night? Think about it. If you are not sure, this video is for you. Please note, if you want the explanation in Hindi language, you can go to the settings and change the language to Hindi. Soon, we will be adding other languages also. Hello, friends. Welcome to day 1 of our new course, Speak English Like a Pro. Today, we will decode greetings in English. We will understand what they are, why they are crucial in any conversation, and more importantly, how to use them in real life scenarios. So, without further ado, let's get started. What are greetings in English? Greetings are words or phrases we use to say hello or begin a conversation in a polite and friendly way. They help us make a good first impression. Some common greeting examples are hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. The question arises, why should we learn greetings? Number one, they help you start a conversation. Number two, they help you show respect and friendliness. And number three, they help set the tone for communication, whether it will be a good communication or an average one. All depends on how you greet someone. So, it's an important skill to learn. Let's understand the greetings based on time. For morning between 5 a.m. to 12 p.m., we can use good morning. This is the best greeting for the morning. Some advanced alternatives could be wishing you a pleasant morning. It's a pleasure to see you this morning. Hope your day is off to a great start. For afternoon between 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., you can use good afternoon. Some other alternatives could be wishing you a pleasant afternoon. It's a pleasure to connect with you this afternoon. Hope your afternoon is going well. For evening, between 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. or 10 p.m., we use good evening. So, good evening is used from sunset until early night. Some advanced alternatives could be wishing you a pleasant evening. It's a pleasure to connect with you this evening. Hope your evening is going well. So, we have covered morning, afternoon, and evening. Now, what about night? What greeting should we use during night timing? Maybe let's say at 10 p.m. till 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. What should we use? Should we use good night to start the conversation? Well, actually, not. Why? Because good night is not a greeting. Greeting is what? When we want to start a conversation. Good night is used only to say goodbye, especially at the end of the day or before going to bed. So the question arises, what should you say if the conversation starts at, let's say, around 11 p.m.? Use greetings that are safe to use any time of the day. For example, hello, a safe and polite greeting for any time. Hi, slightly informal, best for friends. Hey, very informal, best used with very close friends. Please remember, these greetings could be used any time during the day and especially during night times because we don't use time bound greetings during that time. Please note there is another phrase good day which is less common in spoken English. Good day generally refers to daytime hours from late morning to late afternoon. However, it can be used in formal or semi formal emails as a polite salutation. Please remember this. For example, while writing a mail to Mr. Sharma, you can write, good day, Mr. Sharma. So we have understood all the greetings and how we can use them. Let's quickly summarize what we have learned so far. During morning timing, we use good morning as a greeting. During afternoon timings, we use good afternoon as a greeting. During evening timings, we use good evening as a greeting. During night or any times, we can use greetings like hello, hi, hey, as per the situation. And we use good night not as a greeting but as a farewell. When we use it, when we want to say goodbye during night time or bedtime. Now, pause for a moment and type GM, GA, GE or hi or hello in the comments based on whichever time you are watching this video. I will surely greet you back. I hope you have done it. Now, let's look at some real life conversation starters. Number one, formal setting. For example, in the office or school. Good morning, Atharva. How are you today? Wishing you a pleasant morning, Ankit. I am doing well, thank you. And you? I am great. Thanks for asking. Number two, informal setting with friends. Hey Ankita, what's up?
Not much, just chilling. You?
Same here. Just woke up. Number three, meeting someone new. Hello, I'm Nihir. It's a pleasure to connect with you this afternoon.
Hi Nihir, I'm Ashita. Nice to meet you too. Hope your afternoon is going well.
Yes, it's going well. Where are you from, Ashita?
I'm from Ahmedabad. How about you?
So, in this way, you can start the conversation with good greetings. With this learning in mind, let's do an exercise. Answer these two simple questions in the comment. Number one, if you meet your teacher in the afternoon, how would you greet them? Number two, if you meet your friend at a party, let's say around 11 p.m., how would you greet them? Pause the video, solve the exercise, and message your answers in the comments. I am waiting for your reply. I hope you would have given the answer. With this, now you are ready. Next time you meet someone, use your new greeting skills in English. In the next video, we will talk about how to introduce yourself with confidence, whether it's a job interview or a school project. If you don't want to miss it, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon. If you found this video helpful, you will love our video on art of public speaking. Link is in the description and in the I button. Please go and check it out now. I will see you there. Till then, take care of your health and goodbye.